Hey guys, so this is in the morning and I came back from a little drone flights and this is my drone bag. I have everything in this photo bag actually, but I use it for my drone stuff. And the first thing I do is obviously recharge the batteries. So I have this model instead of the DJI, because the DJI charger's problem is basically it has 3 slots. You install the batteries and they start charging, but one at a time, and when it's finished with the number 1 goes to number 2 and finish number 3. It's a very long hideous process. I hate it. So I got this one instead, and it's a red light, indicates that charges all 4 batteries simultaneously, plus has 2 USB charger ports, which is used, one for the RC, the remote control, and the second for the drone itself with its own battery. So this way I charge 6 units simultaneously instead of just one. The reason why the RC loses battery power so fast, it's not supposed to. Unfortunately, it's because of my phone. When I attach it, it has an Android, and Android continuously draws power whether it wants to or not, because that's part of the operating system. So if you use Android phone like Samsung, you need to be aware that basically when you attach your telephone to the remote control for obviously for video feedback and the operation of the craft, then automatically the RC turns into a battery supply for the phone and it starts drawing power from it. In Apple they can turn it off because it's different. In Android and Samsung you cannot. So I'm charging. Also on the field I use these. If I can show it, yeah. This, it has a digital display. If you attach it to the battery, it shows the percentage it has, and when you start charging it via this USB-C using one of these power bricks, then start charging the batteries on the field, out in the field. So I have this one. It doesn't have much power right now. Let me see how much. 31%. So I charged 3 batteries yesterday and it still has 31%. So I think in real experience you can charge 4 batteries, recharge 4 batteries out in the field. What you gotta watch out is when your battery is low, you obviously land the aircraft and your drone, take out the battery, but don't charge it. Don't try to charge it right away. You have to set it aside. And the reason for that is because the batteries get hot. You cannot charge the battery while they are hot. So don't do that, guys. Set it aside, install your backup battery, a secondary battery, and usually people carry at least 2. I have 5. 1 in the unit plus 4 external backup. So yeah, you set it aside and start using your second battery, and later on, when that, let's say you finish your flight, take it out and start charging the number 1. So give it time to cool it off, naturally, cool it off, okay? Don't just start charging because that hurts the battery and can even explode or cause fires. So yeah, that's what I do. And the flight time theoretically is 31 minutes. I guarantee you're not going to get 31 minutes. You're happy if you get 15 because of wind resistance and everything. So lab results are not real life results. So I have always the extra chargers and cables with me, and take this power brick. It's very good. And you can have even multiple ones if you're out and long, or have a sun panel to charge your brick. Sun panel charges the brick charges the batteries. That's a very good solution. So yeah, I had a little fun yesterday. It was very windy and very cold, but I don't mind, and go out a little bit and just low flight no high flights, just practicing maneuvering and everything. And I have everything else in this bag. This is the shade I use. This is the repair kit, screws, extra propellers, everything. Before flight, obviously go through mechanical checks and check everything. Make sure that your little drone is perfect, no damages. Check the propellers, check the screws, everything must be perfect. Check the battery, everything. So you go through these basic steps, and then you pair them and start using the app. Check out flight restrictions, etc, etc, and then you go and fly. So yeah, this is the first thing I do. Like I said, I just want to make a quick video, and I love this. Very reliable, very good. Charges 6 minutes instead of 1, and the second and the third. It's ridiculous. So yeah, this is what I recommend to others as well, and have a safe flight out there, guys. Mr. G is out.